Hey y'all, I just wanted to do a prelim on this unboxing. After, you're going to see the unboxing here in just a moment, but after doing comps and just checking everything as I'm listing them, wow, this was a really great shoebox. We got some great brands, new brands to me, but when I ran the comps and checked retail, we got some good shoes in this box. I'm super excited. They are all listed. And as you will see in this video of unboxing, I do have screenshots for y'all so that you can see not only the great brands that we got, but what we've listed them for. So here you go, guys. Enjoy. Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. Good morning. It is Friday and I am working on getting through some more unboxings. I have two going on right now. Actually, we're doing one today and then I'll probably do the other one next week, which I think is going to be the men's. This is the shoebox that came from, Georgia. If you're new here, I'm Sandra. My husband and I are full-time resellers and having a blast selling on places like eBay, Poshark, Mercari, and a few others. And if you like content where we do unboxings from ThredUp, Cozy Threads, we do garage sale and Goodwill hauls, we do tips and tricks, we do also what sold videos and any other kind of things that come up just to show as resellers. Sometimes I do day in the life and how my routine is, which has changed frequently, so I may do another one of those soon. But just to know how things are going as resellers, if that kind of content helps you, if you love unboxings, do subscribe. If you like this box, please do feel free to do that like button so it helps our channel out. Thank you so much to those of you who've already subscribed. It has just been great. Our numbers going up, our views are going up, which has been fantastic. I'm going to dive into this box. I do believe this is a shoe box. This has been sitting here for a few days, to be honest with you. I've been working on listing the ThredUp denim box. I have just had so much going on, and we did have a bit of a stockpile, so I'm trying to get through some of that. And I am trying to do screenshots on some of these boxes that don't have high quantity. The denim box, I obviously was not able to do that. This box I'm hoping to, and also the ThredUp box that we did for sleepwear. I do plan to do screenshots of those so that you can see not only what we got in the box, but also see what I am listing them for. In the meantime, let's dive into this box. This should be, like I said, the shoes, and yes, it is. I'm excited. I haven't done one of these in a while. We've had a lot of shoe sales. And what I might do at the end of this video, I did not do what sold this week because I've just been so busy. I might do a small little what sold of shoes that we've had the last week or two at the end of this, and just do a little mini what sold since we're doing a shoe unboxing. So I might do that at the end of this. That would be fun. Let's do this. This is 15 pairs of shoes, and as we know, it's typically around $5.66 once you add on the taxes for these shoes. And you all know what it looks like. This is what the box looks like. I'm excited to dive in and see what we have. I've had quite a few pairs of shoes already sell from the last box that we did. Let's see what we have in this one. Okay, these are Santa Monica. Let me see here. Okay, Miyuchi, Sesta Miyuchi. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. Sesta Miyuchi. And these are woven shoes. They're black. And they are a size. Let me see if I can find a size for y'all. These do have a little bit of wear, but I do believe I can clean them up and still sell them. I am just looking for a size on these. Ooh, they might be a size 10. Gosh, it's really hard to read. These might be a size 10. It might just be worn off. I'll have to dive into those further, but they look to be a decent size. So good for that. Okay, let's move on. So, oh, these were, oh, wow. Okay, see, now these boots were normally like that, but what they did was they pushed them down and they wore them like that the whole time. So there's a lot of wear on the heel. So I honestly don't know if I can list these. These are, oh, and they're Everlane too. What I might do, honestly, is just list these and just note that they pushed the heel down and wore them this way. These are a size 8.5. They're actually in really good shape except for the fact they pushed the back down. So I might, since they're Everlane, I might still go ahead and just list and just note that they pushed that down and wore it that way and see if I can still get a few dollars for those. So that's probably what I will do with that. Okay, these are Bedistu. Okay, help me out, y'all. Is that Bedistu? These are, they look like they're supposed to, I don't know if these are supposed to be like this. These just look really kind of, I don't know if it's just like that or if there's a lot of wear to these. It's kind of hard to tell. Y'all, if you know if this is the way these are supposed to look and there's not a lot of wear, because the soles don't look too bad. If this is just the way they look or if that is worn off like that. Both of them are like this. I don't know anything about this. They do have the buckle detail. They unzip at the top. Let me see. The insides definitely look worn. I don't know. I'm kind of confused with those. So we'll just move on. Okay, I have something that's just kind of like sticking out here. So let me see if I can find the other one. Oh, wow, we've got some. Here it is. Okay, these are Lemonade. I've never heard of that before. These are very stiletto-y. These are a size 9. They're man-made. Yeah, man-made. They're cute. I made a huge bow. These would be great for like a wedding or something this summer. Or maybe a holiday event next year because they are black. These would be great for like an evening out for a party next year during the holidays. They actually look, they have a little bit of wear on the foot inside, but other than that, they actually look pretty good. So there's those. Okay, we got some tennies. I apologize if I look hot. It's like in the mid 90s. Again, we've been in the high 80s, mid 90s today. And then it's supposed to cool down the 70s for a couple days and then go right back up to mid to high 90s. So we've had some really, really hot weather. We've had heat advisories around here. So it's kind of crazy. So if I look really, I apologize. It's just, it's hot. Okay, let me see here. This is, oh, this is Fit Flop. Size 6. Okay, these have some wear. I will list these and just see if I can hopefully at least get my money back. Not too bad, but they do have some wear. So there's those. Okay, we have some Michael Kors here. I've been getting a lot of heels that are like this with the band across and then the ankle strap. These are Michael Kors. Size 5, that's a small size, just a stiletto heel. I've actually got a few of these, not Michael Kors, but a few others with that stiletto heel still in my closets. So we'll see. I've got some boots, which I'm excited about because the season coming. Okay, these are universal thread. It looks like maybe they were worn inside or something. I'm probably just going to get my money back on these. Maybe make a couple dollars off of them. Size 6. They're cute shoes in really good condition. Sandals, so I will get those. All these are going to get listed very quickly. It's just 15 pair. Okay, Eileen Fisher. Cool. I know Eileen Fisher sweaters go for good money, so hopefully these actually look to be in pretty good condition. These are a size, these are a 9.5. These are actually kind of cute. So I'll definitely get these listed here soon. Again, just a cute runaround sandal kind of tennis shoe kind of thing. It's got, it zips in the back like this. And it has the straps across the ankle and then this strap across here. They actually don't have a lot of wear, so I'm excited to comp those and see how those might do. Okay, we have some boots here. I'm excited to see what brand these are. These are Cliffs, perfect for the season coming up. These are actually really cute. These are a size, let me see if I can, I don't know if it, yep, it does unzip. Wow, that's really kind of cute. These are a size 10. It does unzip on both sides. I just did that. These are really cute, you guys. Great for the season coming up. As you all know, I'm already preparing for fall, winter. So I would clean those up. They have a tiny bit of a divot, but still in really good shape. So, yay. All right, very cool. I like those. Okay, oops, falling over. Okay, here is some more platform shoes. I'm looking for the brand, which is Joan and David or something. It's really kind of hard to read that. These are a size 7. Again, platform stiletto. Just a what did they call those? Pump. There's a certain term for the patent leather. Patent leather. These do have a thing inside, so hopefully that won't deter from people buying. I'm not sure why they put that in there, but that is those. Let's keep going. Okay, so far it's just been kind of general shoes except for the Eileen Fisher. Hopefully those will go for some decent money. Okay, these are Puma. Yeah, Puma. Pink suede. Have a little bit of wear, but still in pretty good condition. Has the ribbon lacing. These are cute. These are a size 5. Size 5. So, yeah. All right. Okay, some more stiletto heels. Ralph Lauren. A red, if you guys like red, with the strap in the back. These are a size 7 and is it 7.5. These are actually in pretty good condition. Again, these would be great for like wedding, or even these would be good for holiday season coming up because of the red. So yes, they look to actually be in really good condition. Worn maybe once or twice. So I'm good with that. Oh my gosh, Rothys. Are they real? Okay, y'all, I'm trying to remember determining if Rothys are real or not. Tell me if this means that they're real. I don't remember what it was to determine if Rothys were real. This is a size 7.5. I'm hoping these are real because that would be really great. That would, these are a really cute shoe. So please comment below if you all know if these are real. I hope they are. That would be really great. I think somebody mentioned something about being made in China or something. Guys, again, please comment below and let me know because I will have to do some research on those. I'm hoping that those are real. That would be really great because that would be like the really nice brand on top of Eileen Fisher in here. Okay, American Eagle. These are slide-ons. I was hoping these were Birkenstocks, but they aren't. These are in really great condition. Doesn't look like they've ever been worn. The heel looks perfect. Looking for a size. Hopefully these will sell quickly, even though American Eagle, because they are slides. I'm looking for a size. I don't know why they always have to make it so difficult to find sizes on some of these shoes. I am not seeing a size on these anywhere, so I'm going to have to measure it. Dan's really good about measurements with shoes, so I'll have him look it up. Okay, so there's those. A couple more pairs, y'all. We'll see what we got here. Okay. These are Lucky brand. These feel nice, actually. They're a cute boot. Very cute. Let me see if I can find a size for you. It's kind of nice the way that it has that on the thing there. Okay, here we go. Here's the size. Yay. These are an 8. Nice size. Black heel. These, like I said, they're actually in really good condition. just very minor wear. And then one more pair, y'all, and then we'll double check to make sure that we got what the 15 pair. Okay, Life Stride. So a low patent leather slingback shoe again. And the size on these is a 7.5. So these actually, again, have very little wear on them, in good condition. Okay, so let's just double check, make sure we got the 15. Okay. Okay, if I counted correctly, I actually got 16. They may have done that because of the little mini sandals that I got. So anyway, that's cool if I got 16. I believe I counted correctly. So anyway, y'all, again, I'm probably going to do just a little mini what sold at the end of this. So stay tuned to see some shoes that did sell this last week. And you guys, until next time, see you later. Okay, y'all, just a quick snippet after the unboxing. I don't normally do this, but I thought, you know what, I haven't done a what sold in the last couple weeks just because we've been so busy. I have been super swamped, and I just wanted to share with you, we've had some good shoe sales this month. We've had multiple pieces of shoes sell, pairs of shoes sell. I have already included some of them in the previous what solds at the beginning of this month, so I'm only doing a few pairs of shoes that have sold in the last couple weeks up to like the last couple days or so. And I do have 4 pairs of shoes. I'm just going to do quick screenshots here to show you what has been selling. And if you haven't seen the what sold videos the last couple weeks, earlier in this month, go ahead and go check those out so you can see what other shoes did sell earlier this month. But since this is a shoe unboxing, I decided to go ahead and do some other what solds that haven't been in those previous what sold videos. So here we go. These Steve Madden sandals, we have been selling quite a few pairs of sandals, obviously with summer here and running already. I just wanted to share with you these Steve Madden sandals that did sell for $24. I have had these from a previous ThredUp shoe unboxing, and so I was glad to see those go to a new home. So these did sell for $24. Next, again, from a previous ThredUp shoe box that I had from several months back. I've had these for a while. Lots and lots of likes on these shoes, cute pink shoes, and somebody finally purchased these at $20. And I think they got an offer for $20. I think it was Posh or VA because I think these were Posh. So anyway, those sold. And these were actually a more recent ThredUp unboxing. These were Atika women's tassel flats. I have had a few shoes already from this ThredUp unboxing sell, and this was another pair. These sold for $15. I did let them go. I think I had them listed for like $20, and they either offered me $15 or something, and I took the offer because these were flats. They did have some wear. And because they were not a common liked style, I went ahead and took the $15 on them, and I was glad to get those going. And then last but not least, as you did see in the most recent ThredUp unboxing, we did get these Michael Kors. Honestly, they had the green little thing on it saying that these were authenticated, and I'm not really sure why, because I was excited when I did the unboxings. I thought, wow. But then when I ran comps on them, they are Michael Kors. They were in good condition, but they weren't like a really high-end brand, so I was kind of surprised that they had one of those things on it, but that's okay. I think I had them listed for like around maybe somewhere between 60 or 65. Honestly, I don't remember. They were in good condition, and the comps for this particular shoe were good comps. So I did list them a little bit higher, and somebody sent me an offer of $45, and I took it. So these did sell for $45, great condition. So there is a few of these sold on shoes to go along with your wonderful shoe unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed this. And guys, until next video, we will see you then.